How to log in Qatar Airways Privilege Club account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to demonstrate on how to log into your Qatar Airways Privilege Club account. So in order to begin, open your web browser on your device such as Google Chrome and enter www.qatarairways.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Qatar Airways. Now here on this website, click on the Privilege Club in the top middle of the screen, just beside the experience. Click on it. And then on the right side of the screen, you will see the login option that is just below the Join Privilege Club. Click on the login button. This will direct you to the new login page, and here you need to input your valid email address or your membership number for the login. Below that, enter your Qatar Airways account password. And after entering your password, click on the checkbox for the CAPTCHA. And if you have forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password button over here. Simply reset and recover your password. And if you'd like to reset your email, you can click on this Reset Email and retrieve your email as well. And if you'd like to log in with your social network account, such as Facebook, or directly from your Google account, you can click on these options over here. And if you've not created an account yet, you can click on this Create a New Account in the right-hand side of the screen and become a member of Qatar Airways. After you have entered the correct form of all of your credentials, you can click on this Login button in order to successfully log into your account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.